Welcome to Mysore Day 3. Hey, this is Isha and you all are watching Explore with Isha. I have checked out of the hotel. If you have watched my previous vlog, you guys know I was not keeping well for the past 2 days. I have some quick updates to share with you guys. I have a flight to board tonight that will take off at 9:25 p.m. sharp from Bangalore. Yes, from Bangalore. You heard it right, and not from Mysore because I checked all the sites, but all the flights from Mysore were booked. I could have skipped visiting the Mysore Palace, but the explorer inside me told me, Isha, you have came here all the way from Pune. You just can't miss the Mysore Palace. So here I am. The driver took us at some gate from where the palace wasn't properly visible. So again we had to take a U-turn. Now I'm just going to click some beautiful pictures outside the palace because it's already 3:30 in the afternoon and I'm still here. I have to reach Bangalore. Will I be able to make it or I am just gonna miss my flight today? Let's see, time will tell this. There's a lot more to see in Mysore lakes, parks, culture, history, nature, and whatnot. Next time, I will surely try to cover everything. Car parking spaces available where you can park your car. Within the palace premises, I spotted this temple at the very entrance. The palace looked majestic and royal. I was just stunned by the beauty of it. It was way more beautiful than what I had seen in the pictures. Road trip from Mysore to Bangalore is one of the best experiences because it's a scenic route surrounded by the coconut palm trees. Ahead, this route takes you through the rural areas and the small towns of Karnataka. Nama Bangalore. This is the longest airport I have ever seen in my life till date. To reach Bangalore from Mysore, it took me around more than 3 hours. The distance was somewhere between 160 kilometers to 190 kilometers approximately. Once you reach Bangalore, the Bangalore airport is a bit away from the main city area. It's around 25 or 30 kilometers away, and you require minimum of 1.5 hours to reach the airport. I was in a time crunch. I was so tensed. I was in a panic kind of situation. I feared missing my flight today. I was just rushing over and thankfully I reached on time. No matter how much ever you travel, I feel that there's no place like home. It's the most comfortable and safest place. It gives you a sense of warmth that no other place can give you. Welcome to Kempegowda International Airport. The flight will land at 11 p.m. in Mumbai. I will be staying at my uncle's place for a day in Mumbai, and from there I will reach my home in Pune. I am happy that I'm going back home after such a long time, and at the same time, I'm a bit sad because the vacation is over. Those mixed kind of feelings. In flight, we had some coconut water that was refreshing, and I tried the Middle Eastern snack hummus and pita bread for the very first time. We also ended up ordering Indigo's paneer tikka sandwich. Touchdown Mumbai. When in Mumbai, you just can't miss out pav bhaji. So for dinner, we decided to order pav bhaji from Andhra Bhojanam, which is at the airport. The pav was just soaked and dipped in butter. They gave us lots of onion, lemon to squeeze, and pav bhaji is complete with lots of butter. Taste was good, presentation was on point. I will see you on the next journey. Till then, keep exploring places with me, Isha. This is Isha signing off. Good night.